Today's lesson is lesson 101 on identifying, describing, and comparing geometric solids. So I have all these different geometric solids, and each one has a special name. This first solid, its name is a cone. The second one is a cube, then a sphere, a cylinder, a rectangular prism, and a pyramid. You can all see they look very different from each other. But can you find two shapes that are the same in some way? If you look, both the cone and the cylinder have a bottom that looks like a circle. So those two are similar. And if you look, the cube and the rectangular prism both have a bottom that looks like a square. Now, some of these geometric solids only have flat sides. When you have a side that is flat, we call that a face. So this cube has flat sides, so that would be called the face of the cube. The other ones that have faces would be the rectangular prism and the pyramid, because these faces are flat. Since a cylinder, a sphere, and a cone have round surfaces, they do not have a face. Another part of a geometric solid, the straight line where the faces meet are called edges. So these straight lines are called edges. And some of these geometric solids have points or corners. The points or corners of the shape is called a vertex. Okay. So as you can see here, that the shapes that have vertexes are, my cone has one, the cubes have lots of vertexes, rectangular prisms have them, and so do pyramids. Okay. So if we take a look at this shape, this is our cube. Okay. And if I looked at the front face of the cube, you can see it looks like a square. So cubes are made up of squares. And even this dotted one back here that has the dotted lines, it still looks like a square. Cubes have a total of 6 faces on them. 1 for the bottom, a second for the top, 3 is the right side, 4 the left side, and 5 is the front of the cube, and 6 at the back of the cube. So cubes have 6 faces. Okay. So on this one we have a pyramid, and if you notice, the bottom of the pyramid is a square, and then it has triangles for the sides. So a pyramid has 1 square face. Okay, that's the base here. And then it has a total of 4 triangle faces. There's 1, 2, 1 in the back, 3, and this one to the side, 4. So there would be 4 triangle faces. So that's a total of 5 faces for a pyramid. Now all of these shapes have items in real life that look like this. You should try to find some items in your home that have these shapes of a cone, cube, sphere, cylinder, rectangular prism, and pyramid. Okay, that's it for this lesson.